A revolutionary scientific announcement ushers in a new era in understanding the universe. It has been possible to photograph the supermassive black hole located in the center of the Milky Way, our galaxy, where we are on our planet Earth. Be cordially and affectionately welcome to a new documentary. If it is the first time, I introduce myself. I am the engineer Hiddekel Morrison, and I appreciate you decide to see this educational content. In this historic installment, where we will learn intriguing facts about black holes, and how the one in the center of our galaxy impacts our lives, we will tell you whether or not this black hole could destroy our planet Earth. Join me, thanks to technology, in this new educational adventure based on the strictest scientific rigor. From the perspective of an engineer. Let's start. The prestigious Event Horizon Telescope project has just shown the world the first image of the black hole that occupies the center of our galaxy, the Milky Way, capturing a black hole that has been named Sagittarius A, which has been calculated that it is close to our planet Earth, based on the dimensions of the vast universe, in which said black hole is 27,000 light-years from Earth, which means that to reach it we would have to last 27,000 years traveling at the speed of light of approximately 300,000 kilometers per second. This black hole, Sagittarius A, has a mass equivalent to 4 million suns like ours. Although it is not luminous, the Event Horizon telescopes and observatories were able to make it visible thanks to the combination of 8 large telescopes spread throughout planet Earth, with which our planet becomes a huge gigantic eye. Although we can't see the black hole directly, we do see a bright ring of light around a central shadow. In a historical milestone for humanity that is only possible thanks to the advancement of electronic technology, space engineering and, above all, the great capacities that currently exist for data processing, big data, due to the significant development of computing. Which means that without the contribution of aerospace technology, these revolutionary scientific results could not be counted on. What has been recorded, which is what we can see, is actually the material close to an area called the event horizon, which is the limit from which the black hole traps everything, including light. In an image achieved by the great resolution, 3 million times greater than that of the human eye that the Event Horizon Telescope has. Let's discover the intriguing details of this black hole so close to us and if it could destroy the planet Earth. But first, I ask you to support us by liking this video, sharing this video with your contacts, and subscribing to this channel, turning on notifications, so with your support, we can continue to frequently generate interesting documentaries on aerospace technology and the universe. Thank you for contributing to the creation of educational content. Science still does not know if black holes are a closed door to another universe. It is not known what lies behind the event horizon of a black hole. Maybe there is something very exotic, but we don't know. Talia Traianu, radio astronomer at the Max Planck Institute. As the dawn of a new era in the physics of black holes, the team of astronomers from the Event Horizon Telescope have defined this black hole at the center of our galaxy. An achievement of a team of more than 300 scientists, who thanks to their effort, ability and dedication have captured the first image of the holden-eyed Sagittarius A, a monster of 4 million solar masses that devours stars, in the core of our galaxy, the so-called Milky Way. This already epic image was made possible by this network of Event Horizon telescopes, a set of 8 radio telescopes from America, Europe, Africa and Antarctica that work in a network as if they were an antenna the size of our planet Earth. This presented image is the sum of millions of snapshots or coupled photos combining thousands of images taken by telescopes. Because the black hole is so far away, from our perspective, its size in the sky is about the size of a donut on the moon. The Event Horizon Telescope observed the Sagittarius A black hole several nights, collecting data for many hours at a time. Taking the image required overcoming multiple difficulties such as the fact that planet Earth is located towards the edge of our galaxy, the Milky Way, so the researchers had to deal with light from all the stars, dust and gas between the Earth and the Sagittarius A black hole, elements that make the entire area where the black hole is, we see it very dark. So to achieve this final image, a supercomputer was used to process the data and many snapshots taken over the course of several nights were added. That is the reason why what the scientists have presented is not exactly a photo, strictly speaking. It is rather a reconstruction of the electromagnetic data captured by the network of radio telescopes distributed around the world that make up the so-called Event Horizon Telescope. Astronomers believe that black holes occupy the center of most galaxies. In this case, the image of this massive object that is in the center of our galaxy was expected for a long time. Scientists had initially seen stars orbiting something invisible, compact and very massive at the center of the Milky Way. Therefore, they have no doubt that it is a black hole, and the captured image is the first direct visual evidence of it. Let us remember that a black hole is a celestial body that concentrates a lot of mass in a very small volume and, therefore, the gravitational field that it creates around it is gigantic. Renowned scientists have explained that a black hole is not a sink or a kind of sewer or drain as it is usually defined. Scientists understand that black holes are a massive object, like a star, and can be orbited around without any problem. Without anything happening. Studying black holes is one of the great challenges in physics, because they combine the two great theoretical models, general relativity, which is used to explain what happens to large objects, such as planets and galaxies, and quantum physics, which deals with the smallest. The two seem impossible to reconcile, because they don't work together, so these kinds of breakthroughs are considered so momentous. Jeffrey Bauer, principal scientist for the Event Horizon Telescope project, noted that these unprecedented observations have greatly improved our understanding of what is happening at the center of our galaxy and offer new insights into how giant black holes interact with their environment. The confirmation of a black hole in our galaxy has generated concern and at the same time the question of whether, can this black hole destroy our planet Earth? And the answer is that according to the scientific research consulted, no, because everything around the supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy is spinning in equilibrium. It is very difficult for the matter that orbits around and at a certain distance from the nucleus to lose its angular momentum, that is, its ability to rotate, and change its trajectory to head towards the black hole. For that to happen, there should be some mechanism that causes its destabilization. Black holes, even supermassive ones, have a radius of influence and beyond that radius they don't affect objects that are there. Only after a certain distance does the matter go towards the black hole. Everything around the supermassive zone in the middle of our galaxy rotates in equilibrium. I invite you to discuss the importance of this revealing scientific announcement in the comments of this video. I will read your opinions carefully. I wait for you there. As usual, we appreciate you informing us. It is a real pleasure to be able to provide you with the main news, trends and developments, about the most important aspects of aerospace technology and the universe, from the perspective of an engineer. I am the engineer Hiddekel Morrison and I invite you to meet again in a future installment.